Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge cleaning video for you, but I'm starting off the day at Starbucks as any good cleaning day should begin. So I will meet you back at home. I like to start every cleaning day with a beautiful new candle, and now that the nugget is asleep, it's time to get straight into it. So Harper's not been feeling very well for the past few days, so I haven't really had a lot of time to clean up around the house as much as I usually like to. So it's a little crazy right now with stuff just everywhere, but I really wanted to take some time to just get everything done. If you are interested in any of the products that I'm using today, I will try my best to link everything down below. If it's something that I don't know where I got it or I forget, then I won't have it linked, but for the most part, I should have everything down there for you guys. You guys, I was so bummed out. These are bamboo, and it looks like Greg left them in the sink, so they were totally ruined and I had to throw them away. For my dishes, I've been using the Bluebell by Mrs. Meyer's, and I think it smells really nice. I think I actually got this one on sale at Whole Foods, and it's the first time I've ever used this scent, but I really like it. It's super springy. I don't know what was going on with my hair this day. It is just greasy to the maximum. Sorry, you guys. To clean my stove and my countertops, I've been using the Mrs. Meyer's mint scent. It's kind of like a sweet mint, and I really like it a lot for cleaning my kitchen. I just bought this product and I've never tried it before, but I have these little spots on my glass top that just never seem to come off, so I was hoping that this would help, but it ended up not helping that much, so I went ahead and cleaned it again with the Mrs. Meyer's stuff just to be sure that all of that product was off of it. This spot back here is where we keep Greg's toolbox and also Daisy's toys so that she can get them out of the basket whenever she wants them. So I was just straightening that spot up for her. down below what is your favorite part and your least favorite part of cleaning. This day my favorite was vacuuming, and it's usually my favorite, but I really didn't enjoy doing all the laundry today, especially the folding. We only have a few of the hardwood spots in our apartment, so to mop it, I just use a Swiffer and one of the wet mop Swiffer attachment things, and I find that it works just pretty well. So I think when we get a house and we have more hardwood or more hard surfaces like that, then I'll invest in a better mop. To clean my cabinets and my appliances, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's lilac scent. This is one of their limited edition ones for the season, and it is one of my favorites. It's just so springy and summery, and I love it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I wasn't able to get as much cleaning as I wanted to get done today, but that's okay because I feel like what I did get done was pretty good. I definitely need to get a new pillow for the couch. That one says Hello Spring and it is now summer, so I will be doing that soon. But if you like these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to let me know in the comments below what your favorite things to clean are and the things that you would prefer not to do. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.